Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. So we will continue the problem part of the trigonometry. In these problems we are going to use the formula which we learned in the last video. Okay, 8 formulas. I hope you remember. I'll just recall once. See, I hope you remember the pattern: S plus S, S minus S, C plus C, C minus C. Here go, but then last video ulta barde. It's okay, nothing to worry about. And the same. SC, CS, CC, SS. This is a shortcut method to remember all the 8. This side will be A plus B by 2, A minus B by 2. This side will be A plus B and A minus B. So whenever you use this formulas, please try it. Okay, once you can recall all the 8 easily. Okay. So question is sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 2x sin 10x. So let me start with RHS. I'll take RHS to get LHS. What is RHS? Sin 2x, and express that as a 6x minus 4x into sin 10x. 10x next by 6x plus 4x. You can write like this, right? No? 6x minus 4x is 2x. 6x plus 4x is 10x, right? Yes. Now use sin of x plus y and sin of x. Actually you can use this also, but here I'll use sin of x plus y and sin of x minus y. I hope you remember sin of x minus y. Sin x, into cos y minus cos x into sin y. This multiplied by this one. I'll write exactly below that so that you can multiply easily. 4x plus cos 6x sin 4x. Now it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? Yes, a square minus b square. So what is a square here? Sin square 6x cos square 4x minus cos square 6x sin square 4x. Now observe, the left hand side we need sin square 6x and sin square 4x. Andre e term ಮತ್ತು e term ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. Okay, we should keep these two terms as it is. Only have to change these two, right? And to change, to remove this from this expression, write both in terms of sin. 1 minus sin square 4x. You know this, right? Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. ಅದೇ ತರ cos square 6x ಅನ್ನ 1 minus sin square 6x into sin square 4x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. sin square 6x sin square 6x into sin square 4x, correct? Minus, again minus on here, sin square 4x minus plus, I'll write below, sin square 6x sin square 4x. Observe carefully, tell me any term get cancelled in this expression? Yeah, either one plus, another one is minus, so get cancelled. So what is remaining? Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. Now observe carefully, is it left hand side? Yes, this is left hand side. We started with RHS and we got LHS. So that means what? We proved this statement. I hope you understood. So here trick, write 2x as 6x minus 4x, write this 10x as 6x plus 4x. This is a trick. Then simple, definitely after writing this much you will identify all these steps. Nothing to worry. But identifying this step is important. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನೆನಪಾದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Here I wrote one question, I didn't leave any space because this work for you. ಬರ್ತದದು? The question is cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin 4x sin 8x. ಇದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ this work, write 4x as a 6x minus 2x, 8x as a 6x plus 2x. Use a formula or use the method which we used in the last problem. So compulsory, this is for homework. I hope you will try. Today you will submit when you see this video. Okay, yes. Next question. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x sin 4x. Here we need the formula which I explained in the last video, or the shortcut method. Okay, observe carefully. The proof is as follows. Easy ಇದೆ, correct ಆಗಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ the trick. Okay, first arrange the first and the last term together. Okay, keep the middle term as it is. Don't do anything. Here I am taking LHS. I'm starting from LHS now. Here use S plus S. S plus S. In S plus S, 2SC. 2SC ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 sin cos. ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ a plus b by 2 a minus b by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin 2x plus 6x. How much? 8x. 8x by 2 is 4x. Cos 2x minus 6x minus 4x minus 4x by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 2x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 2x plus 6x divided by 2 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 4x. ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು 2x minus 6x by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 2x. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೋದು ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 times sin 4x. Now anything is common in these two terms? Yes. Which is common? Very good. 2 sin 4x will be common. So take that outside. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ cos minus 2x. But you know from cos minus sign does not come out. So you just keep as it is, cos 2x. Correct? Plus 1. Because whole thing is taken outside. So this is 2 times sin 4x, right? Sin 4x cos 2x. We need in terms of cos square x because sin 4x is there 2 is there, right? Only we need 2 cos square x. Can you express cos 2x in terms of cos square x? Yeah, 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Finish. 2 into 2 4 sin 4x cos square x. Now observe carefully. Check whether it is equal to RHS. Yes, this is equal to RHS. We started with the LHS and we got RHS. That implies the proof is over. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಏನು? Combine first and last term. Use S plus S formula, the formula which we derived in the last class. Understood? Yeah. The next question, it is again using the formula which we derived in the last video. Okay, first write down what are the formulas required. For that I told one shortcut method. Again I am using the shortcut method only. S plus S, S minus S, C plus C, C minus C. Maybe you are using one formula, but write all, because okay, if there is a mistake you will come to know if you write everything. See, in Kastala within 30 seconds you can write this. But remember the angles also. This side a plus b by 2 and a minus b by 2. This side baro angles ಏನು a plus b and a minus b. ಈ pattern ಒಂದು ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 30 seconds ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, nothing to worry. Okay, now observe one thing properly here. ಎರಡು side length wise same or expression wise same. So when we have this situation like this, it's better to rearrange the question so that one side is short, another side is large. So the large expression can be simplified to get the shorter one. Okay, so I'll suggest here like this. Take the sin 5x minus sin 3x to this side, and right like this. See, observe carefully. You can call this as a cross multiplication, like this. So if I complete cross multiply, this will be like this: cot x by cot 4x. Correct? Observe ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ಲೆಂತ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಲೆಂತ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. So this is a clear sign that you can get RHS from LHS. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇದೆ. So it's difficult to decide which side you should consider, and maybe difficult to get the left hand side from right hand side or right hand side from left hand side. But here easy to get right hand side from left hand side. So now there is no confusion here. Just take the left hand side and use a formula. S plus S, 2 times sine of 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos of 5x minus 3x by 2 whole divided by S minus S. 2 times cos of 5x minus 5x plus 3x by 2 into sine of 5x minus 3x by 2. Correct? Just apply the formula which we derived in the last class. So 2 cancel. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sin of 4x. Correct? 8x by 2. This is cos x 2x by 2 divided by cos 4x sin x. Done. What is this and what is this? Can you tell me? The first circle represent tan 4x. The next circle represent cot x. In beko cot x by cot 4x. Okay, numerator is ready. Only we require denominator. How to get that? Yeah, you know the relation between the cot and tan. Tan can be written as 1 by cot. Now check whether this is equal to RHS. Yes, this is equal to RHS. Done. Very simple. But here what is the trick? Rearrange the question to this pattern. Both these two are equivalent. Remember that. Both these two are equivalent. Okay, if you prove this, you prove this. Understood? Okay, next question. Prove that sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 4x. Now I hope you learned how to write the shortcut method. I am not writing again all the formulas. I am going to use directly. S plus S ಏನೇಳಿ 2SC ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು 2SC. C plus C 2CC. ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕಾಸ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ divided by 2. Remember, I am starting from LHS. C and again cos, add 2 angles divided by 2. Cos of subtract 2 angle divided by 2. Asta. See, direct agi 2 cancel, full this term get cancelled. Finish. What is remaining? Sin 8x by 2, 4x, cos 4x. What is sin by cos? Tan 4x. Finish. Asta. Right hand side tan 4x, yes, very good. Finish. That's it. So remember the formula and use the shortcut method. You can get it very easily. This is simple, very simple problem. Few more questions are like this only. Very easy to answer. Okay, idu artha aitalva? Yes. Next question. Again prove that. Remember that. Again all these questions prove that. So first ge bardene prove the following. Nenpele again you begin from the LHS. Okay, C minus C. What is C minus C? Minus 2 sin SS. Minus 2 SS. S minus S 2 cos or C S. E pattern ಬರ್ದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ safe. Okay, S ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Sin. Angles ಏನು? 9x plus 5x whole divided by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 9x minus 5x divided by 2. C represent cos, angles you know 17x plus 3x divided by 2, 17x minus 3x divided by 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Very good. So 2 cancel ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ cancel ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, so minus sin 14x by 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 7x. Sin of 9x minus 5x 4x. 4x by 2 is 2x. Whole divided by cos of 20x by 2 and 10x. Sin of 7x, because 17 minus 3 and 14 by 2 7x. So now these two get cancelled. So what is remaining? Minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. Is it required RHS? Yes, this is RHS. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I hope you understood. So first steps ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Shortcut form. Remember that. So like that only I am moving to the next question. It is also similar to the previous two problem. Here S minus S sin square cos. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Okay, first write S minus S. What is short form of S minus S? 2 times C and sin, alba. Keep the denominator as it is, or you can do one thing, take minus outside. I'll tell you why. Okay, I'm taking minus outside. You'll come to know at the end. So it is cos of x plus 3x divided by 2 sin of x minus 3x divided by 2, using S minus S formula. Okay, so 2 times cos of 2x, alba. X plus 3x, 4x by 2 is 2x. Sin of minus x minus 2x by 2 minus x. I hope you understood. Now minus, did you see anywhere this formula cos square x minus sin square x? Ella nodi nenpaagtidya? Yes, very good. This is nothing but cos 2x. So cos 2x cancel. So what is remaining? See, this minus sign will come out because outside we have sin. So already one minus is there, so it become minus 2 sin x. So answer is 2 sin x. Oda? Yes. Finish. See, it's easy there. I hope you understood. This is also very simple, but remember the trick. In denominator you should take minus outside, then okay, it will be solved very easily. Artha aita? Very good. Next question. In the particular question, example baro chances tumba ide because this is actually 5 mark question. You will get this particular question asked so many times in a final exam also. So remember, important 5 mark question. Easy there, nothing to worry. 5 marks on the kasta ena iralla. So maybe compared to the previous problem, length of the work is more compared to previous problems. So again, you will start from LHS because it's a big expression and RHS is a single term expression, so you cannot take RHS to get LHS. So combine ಮಾಡಿ proper ಆಗಿ. So I'll combine like this: cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x. Middle term ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡ್ತಾನೆ, first and last combine ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. So same thing in denominator. Now use your formula C plus C. Shall I write again? Yes. S plus S, S minus S, C plus C, C minus C. 2, 2, 2 minus 2. SC, CS, CC, SS. E side baro angles eno A plus B by 2, A minus B by 2. E side baro angles eno A plus B and A minus B. If prati question idannu practice ಮಾಡಿ, then within 10 problems you will be perfect in this book. Okay? Now apply C plus C for the first two. What is C plus C? 2C alva, 2cc. 4x plus 2x divided by 2 into cos of 4x minus 2x divided by 2 plus cos 3x whole divided by same s plus and say no 2 sin of same angles, right? There's no difference in angle, right? I hope you understood this work. Yes. So don't cancel this 2 and 2. Remember, don't cancel these 2. Okay, this 2 is okay only for this, not there for cos 3x. Then please mistake ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು. So ಆ mistake ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. 2 times cos 3x cos x plus cos 3x divided by 2 times sin 3x. Right? So this is minus cos x plus sin 3x. Correct? Okay, now still you can't cancel this 2. Remember that. Yavadu cancel ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. Now take the common term. What is the common term? Cos 3x is common, right? Only take cos 3x. 2 also take, you can't take the outside because 2 is not there in both terms. So what is remaining? 2 cos x plus 1 divided by in common term sin 3x. Only take sin 3x outside. Again you will get 2 cos x plus 1. So complete again. Now these two terms get cancelled. So what is remaining? Cos 3x by sin 3x. An answer? Yes, cot 3x. Is it RHS? Yes. See, this you will get for 5 marks. Remember, e problem 5 marks ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So important question, please remember that. Very important problem. Okay, for 5 marks. Understood? Very good. So this will continue in the next video also. Thank you.